Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Nissan Xterra Pro-4X. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 4-liter V6 pushing out 261 horsepower and 281 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 16-inch alloys with all-terrain tires. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. Pro-4X stitching in the leather. Around back, trailer hitch. Xterra Pro-4X badging. A set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, we got power windows. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls, media display with navigation, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated seats. This Xterra has 73,975 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Xterra Pro 4X, check out feldmannimports.com.